What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Uyghur Man. One of my friends from our community called Fayaz, he sent me a message, said, "Hey Shadaman, how you been? We didn't see your video for a week." First, I want to say thanks for my community. Always encourage me and always motivate me, keep moving. I know it has been a long week and tough week. Probably my future is gonna be like this because I'm doing some other project. The main reason I'm so busy is, if some of you know already, I was a chemist working in the research associate position in one research center in California after COVID started. I just want to get something I can do online at home, like a work at home job. So I start learning software development online and keep practicing. I'm doing a couple projects and just try to get some online jobs so I can get work at home. So far doing good. I'm almost ready for software testing position. Now I'm preparing myself for the interview. So there's tons of things I have to prepare. I have to get familiar with so I can get ready for the job. So basically my life was like always in front of the computer, learning coding, learning IT things, and also making video, checking the YouTube, checking the Facebook. This type of life, I'm not super get used to it, but it is way easy than what I have to drive like 1 hour to go my job and then come back at night and sleep. I have no time to like interact with you guys that often, but it also has this advantage of this type of computer life. I mean, your health is main issue. You have to stand up, you have to more exercise. So I choose to do some outdoor activity. That's why I like camping things. My second reason make me busy is I'm currently converting my old cargo van I bought 2 months ago to a camper van. I will do all the internal and the mechanic work. I already did some work done last couple weeks. I changed the stereo, I changed the speakers, and I also changed the passenger seat swivel chair. So there's extra seat. Yeah, I have a lot of work to do. I started ordering the materials. I have to cut the hole from the roof and put the air circulator fan. There's a lot of work, guys. I need to get extra battery, backup battery for the usage of my computer and the phone, stuff like that. I don't have to do it, but I just try to get rid of computer every day, couple hours to do something else. Otherwise, as a Uyghur, I mean, all the information from the online is just so sad news all the time. Trust me. 99% is sad news. 1% probably like one country acknowledged or like recognized Uyghurs facing genocide, which we have been telling the world for 70 years. Hey, the world, China is killing us. China is sending us to concentration camp. No one listened. No one really cared because of it was not like that serious till like 2016. Some of camp survivors start giving testimony about what their life experience inside of the camps, then start getting a tract of the world. That is a only good part of our daily internet life. 99% is like sad news, make you depressed. You guys know, like before I get married, I was single person in America. I have no friend, I have no family members because all of them are locked up in China, right? They don't have passport to come out. So I really wish one day I can go home as soon as possible. So I have to follow the news, but if I follow the 99% is sad news, like I said. So for stay away from the internet, I had to do something else for fun or just to distract myself from those sadness. That's why I picked this project. I try to convert this old cargo van to a camper van so I can camp, go to different places, travel with my family, with my dog, and take a nice video probably for you guys. That's what I have been doing, guys. Maybe this type of lifestyle I'm gonna keep longer, but I will guarantee I will make a video once a week. So that's about it, guys. That's why I'm busy, and this is about my future plan. And if you guys want to know more about like the van conversion process, you just leave a comment. I can show you guys, I can tell you guys detail, I can make more video about that. But this, since it's nothing related to Uyghur Man and about our justice believer topic, so I'm not planning talking too much. But if you guys interested, just let me know, guys. Yes, that's all about why I'm busy these days. And let's jump on today's topic, and let's begin. Now I want to encourage you who is watching this video, join us boycott 2022 Winter Beijing Olympic Games, because they're sucking the blood of Uyghurs and doing genocide to my people. So no right, no game. If you guys want to join us, you can just simply make a video like this.
Boycott China's 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics.
Like this.
Boycotter les Jeux Olympiques d'hiver Pékin 2022.
And I will also post this poster to my Facebook, on my Twitter, so you guys can just download, print it out, and make a video and join us. Boycott, guys. We can do a lot as a consumer, as an individual. So sometimes we all think, oh, the government, we can't even interfere anything about what government doing, but actually not. We as a community, we come together, can do a lot. Trust me, and let's just join. We can boycott this Winter Olympic game. China don't deserve anything like that. China is killing the millions of people. They're harvesting Uyghurs' organ. They're doing forced labor. They're doing genocide. They're killing, they're separating the people from their kids, which I'm gonna show you guys later. How China deserves to host the game, I can't believe. I don't want this to begin like the Nazi Olympic game, which happened before World War II. We're gonna regret if we allow this happen. So the chance is on yours and my hand. Okay, guys, let's do it. Let's join us. Boycott 2022 Beijing Winter Olympic Game. Let's start, guys. The following video is what I made on my Facebook and Twitter. I will show you guys some of the guys who graduated from Chinese re-education camp. Okay, guys? Chinese always say this is re-education camp. We are transforming Uyghurs' brain. Okay, let's see how it looks after they got graduated from their re-education camp. Let's begin. Where is it going? Look at that. That's war. Look at it. It's definitely the war of the concentration camp or the labor camp. Where is it going? Who knows? And look at this type of videos. They're torturing the one prisoner. I'm not saying this guy is Uyghur or not. I'm not sure, but Uyghurs are facing genocide, probably facing worse than that. But why does it make this type of videos? That's a problem. That's a question. My understanding of why is it doing is they're spreading the fear to the society. They always have to scare the citizens, so the citizen gonna calm down. They have 1.4 billion Chinese in their country. If they don't scare those Chinese enough, if they stand up, this regime is gonna be easily fall. So that's what they worry. That's why they have to keep scare the citizen, spreading the fear to the society. That's all the ways they do. There's tons of video like that. Oh, this is the most heartbreaking video for today. Look at that. Look at that. I have a similar age daughter like that kids. She's basically kissing and holding her baby like from another side of the gate. Guys, how do you feel? You hold your own baby once a week or every 2 weeks or once a month? Okay, limited time. What I want to say here is you only have limited time to hold your own baby, and you can't really hold it. You have to kiss and hold them from the another side of the gate because you are Uyghur and your regime is Chinese Communist Party. Because they're evil. Their most brutal regime in the human history. Look at that. And this is not a couple hundred, a couple thousand people like this. Millions of Uyghurs are facing this situation. I know there's a war going on for Palestinian. I feel bad between the Palestinian and Israel people. They're fighting. Hundreds of people are dying. But that's hundreds. My people is like millions skills are dying. Get tortured like that. Facing the genocide like that. After you see that after they graduate, how it looks. That's only happening Nazi German concentration camp before. I feel so bad. That's why like I always try to be the best dad ever, like you see here. I love my kids like every parent. But imagine you cannot hold your own kids like them. Oh, that's why I try to stay away from internet, guys. This type of video is destroying me. Oh, this is most ridiculous and nasty Chinese. How you can see how nasty Chinese. Yo, this type of things like this is Chinese ancient. I mean, they're Han students. They don't even practice this type of things. This is only in the book or, you know, but for assimilate Uyghurs, they bring that up. Like you have to ban yourself, say hello, greeting to your teacher and greeting to your students, classmates, you know. This is ridiculous. Like that's how nasty China is. Like that's how they're assimilating us. It's part of the assimilation, guys. Look at that. Oh, this is another video. Like 5-6 years old little daughter had handcuffed in the kids camp. Look at this. Her hand is get chained up in the camp. Look at how many beds there are. It's a kids camp, obviously. Her parents probably is already gone, still in camp, or died, or organ got harvested. Who knows? That's why no one can take care of these little kids. That's why China can do whatever they want. They just how inhuman. situation is that? Check it out. She probably is scared, she probably nervous. Another baby, she's trying to take into the camp, like she don't want to leave, alright? Like look at, she's just dragging that. Look at this beautiful daughter. How beautiful she is, how cute she is. Like she's crying, Appa, Appa, she's mom, she's calling her mom. And not just her, all the kids crying, they're not happy. Whole atmosphere of East Turkestan is negative like that because no one is happy. Look at how they're crying. Every kids. And where down we go. And look at this one. This little boy is crying because, guys, I studied in Chinese school. This guy is writing some Chinese script, like is he learning. In English, you only need to 20 plus alphabet, right? But in Chinese, you have to learn more than 10,000 script. You have to memorize that. That's what Chinese, if you study in Chinese school, that's what all your energy gonna spend. Most of your energy spent just to memorize those pictures. Actually, it's not script. This is the most undeveloped script, right? It's Oracle language, right? The Chinese script is basically is Oracle language. And you have to memorize all this picture. They force those Uyghur kids, yeah, let's just let your own kids to learn better Chinese. I know even Xi Jinping cannot read proper Chinese because 10,000 you need to memorize. And like I mentioned in my last video, it's not even enough to pronounce my name. That 10,000 script cannot pronounce my name and your name properly. But you have to do it. Instead of modify their culture, their scripts, their pronunciation, they force kids to do it, to learn those undeveloped, low-level script, which I don't like it. Like, it doesn't have alphabet. That's why they can't even pronounce anything, only except Chinese. And the Uyghur kids crying, as they have to do. They have to. That's why they're not happy. And look at this one. This one I watched, I still remember. This is old poor lady. Her house got ruined by the rain. Like I said, Uyghurs are the poorest people in their richest land. They're slave in 21st century, right? The clothes you're wearing, the solar panel you're using, probably made by Uyghur slave. That's why this grandma is very poor. Look at her house. But when she saw that camera, Chinese man, look what she did. She took off her scarf. That's our culture. Every woman just wears something on their hair. They don't wear hijab or like niqab like Arab do, but just headscarf. Chinese want to take that out from our culture. Just little headscarf, you know, they don't even leave us alone like that. Look at how poor she is. Oh, this is not Uyghurs land. This is Hui Muslims. The one who taking this video is Hui Muslim, but she's basically saying, oh, they're destroying our mosque. Now after they destroyed all the Uyghurs land, now they move to the mainland Hui Muslims mosque or start attacking their religion now. Yeah, any religion in any corner in China is not allowed. That's communist. It's communist country, and we still using their product, and they're about to host the Winter Olympic game. What a world! It's ridiculous. It's unacceptable. Look at this, destroying the mosque. Like They never did that before. Before they were not strong enough. Now they got enough money, financial support. Some secret power just transfer all the money from America to the China right now. Like I said, billions of dollars transferred from the US to China. That's how they become rich. And those bankster, without any interest, then China use that to loan to the other country. That's what they call one belt, one road. Now they're rich. That's why they start doing genocide. They're brave enough to do genocide and attack the slum in this world right now. They were preparing for this, okay? The 70 years, they never leave us alone, but they were preparing for this genocide and attack on whole religion to the world. They are basically evilest regime in the world. And this one, all our adult, probably my father also there, I don't know. They all looks like my father. They're all Uyghurs, I can't see clear. And they got collected in the yard with the Chinese flag, and then they have to sing song called 没有共产党就没有新中国. That means if there's no Chinese communists, there's no new China. They force them, they brainwash them to appreciate Chinese Communist Party all the time. The same song which camp survivors told us they recite in the camp. They sing those same song in the camp as well, which I learned and I sing million times in my life to grow up in Chinese school as well. So every Uyghurs knows that song, but we have to keep singing again and again and again and again, like you recite Quran, like you do zikr, right? Like you use tasbih, like recite Allah's name. The same methodology Chinese communists using for brainwash Uyghurs. Recite theirs, appreciate them again and again, again and again, again and again. That's how they changing the world by their evil action behave. They just use those religion methodology, you know, how the religion affects the mindset. That's how they do it. The Mao Zedong, the guy actually read Quran very well. He read all the religion book. He know how it works. And this is our Ramadan day. Ramadan day, the Ramadan, right? The festival, we will finish 30 days fasting. We were super happy finally. We got our Eid. So the morning we have to go mosque to pray morning. It's our biggest, one of the two biggest festival for Uyghurs, for whole Muslim in the world. And in front of the mosque. They put those red light, Chinese culture symbol things in front of the mosque. Okay, they trying to remind you, this is Chinese territory because they invaded. Right after they invaded, and they put all the symbol, and then all these people in front of the mosque raising Chinese flag with the Chinese anthem. Chinese national anthem. That's how bullshit is going on to my people right now. This is how genocide is going on, guys. Genocide. Right? This is only couple mosques left. And you're not even allowed to pray there. Okay? It's just for the raised flag. They call you in front of the mosque. Okay, it's time to appreciate party now. Okay, everyone come there. Look at the flag. And recite the Chinese Communist propaganda song. You have to. Otherwise, you're gonna take into the camp. Or they will sell your organ. God knows. Alright, guys. That's about it. That's about today. And I will start today's video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the like button. And share the video to your friend. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Oh, I forgot to mention. Guys. I finished 10,000 of my 1 million goal, right, guys? Now I start my 11,000. So since it's only allowed 9999, now it's back to 000 after I finish 10,000. So I will make it 1,000 today. So it means totally I'm gonna finish 11,000. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Chana Kamarinya Sachana 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 Kamarinya Chana Kamarinya Sachana 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 Kamarinya Chana Kamarinya Sachana 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 Kamarinya Chana Kamarinya Sachana 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 Kamarinya Chana Kamarinya Sachana 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 Kamarinya Chana Kamarinya Sachana 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 Kamarinya 600 China coming in, 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 China coming, China coming in, 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 China coming in. China coming in, 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 China coming in. It is at 900, guys. China coming in, 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 China committing genocide to Uyghurs in Uyghurstan. Alright guys, that's all about it today. 1,000 times it takes me 16 minutes, but it is the word I don't want to say, genocide, 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 because that's in my mind already millions times every day. But I have to say it's annoying when you keep saying that, but for the let you know, for affect other people, for remind other people, I have to keep saying. If I don't say that, Chinese propaganda, China spending millions of dollars just try to cover this up, but I have to speak up, even though I don't want, even though I don't like, even though it's affect my mood, but I have to say, even though I don't like, I have to say. Alright guys, thanks for your watching and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like button. See you guys next time.